am loading up because we are going, where are we going?
Fishing!
Fishing! Last minute and everything. So I decided let's take you along for this fishing trip.
Fishing sound like chi-chis.
Oh, hopefully we catch a lot of fish. We'll see you when we get there. Hello, so we have arrived. We have arrived to the little town where we will be fishing at. Toño and Vida and Chicharo, they have been there a couple of times. I have never been. Toño keeps telling me that I've been there before. Not I. Maybe your Sancha or your girlfriend, but not I. I have not gone there. This is my very first time going to this place. It's like a little river, and I think you fish off the bridge. I'm not so sure. We'll see whenever we get there. But I packed us some snacks and some adult beverages. And well, I have to get off and get mine. I got Toño's. I have some drinks for the kiddos. And I think I'm going to get like some chimneys and some burritos. Maybe some corn dogs, you know. Very healthy snacks. But, oh, and Toño got off to get some tacks. I don't know what that means. But some stuff to fish. So, ¿qué? Ahorita, ¿para qué te quitaste las botas? ¿Qué está disgusting? Okay, it's okay. You're okay. So that's what we're doing now. So we are, I think, almost there. But I think that's it for now. I guess we'll just see y'all whenever we get to the little river. You're fine. You're okay. Ya se cansó. ¿Está hot, mamá? ¿Qué?
Ya, si les falta la otra pata a mi rana.
Why? Because it only goes one way?
Flaps, yeah, it flaps con las patillas like if it was a frog swimming. Yeah, let me try Chicho. There's a lot of turtles.
Well, can you eat turtles? So do frogs. Sounds disgusting, but it's delicious.
Mommy, can you show me how I do
Yes.
it?
¿Estás aventando rocks, mamá? ¿No? Deja quito esto de aquí.
Déjalo pongo acá. I forgot about the big holes in the fish.
What big hole in the plate?
See where it is?
Not under, girls. Not under.
Look, there's a big fish right there. You see it coming up? Come on, keep going, keep going.
Is it by his thing?
Keep going, Chicho.
Is it by his
Your thing
thing?
is right here.
Oh, I see it.
Okay, look, you gotta get out of the woods. This one is better, Chicho.
Then yours? Noelita.
Why am I better with you?
Because because mine.
Got it, Vida. You got it, girl. You got it, Chicho? Good job. Oh, man. Why were you trying with Vidas? Oh, I thought that you were fishing with Vidas. ¿Te ves bien handsome? Pues sí. I bet you that's a tiny little bird egg. Or maybe you're right. Maybe it is a turtle egg.
Because I found it.
Ah.
Maybe
Ay, deja, niña.
maybe it's something crooked like a hammer.
No. Have their nests right here under this bridge. Yeah, they do. Look, see? You see that little hole up there? That little thing that looks like mud with a hole? That's the birds. You see those birds flying around? That's their nests.
Where is it?
You see it? Right there. You see? It kind of looks like mud.
Hanging?
Yeah, that's their nest.
I bet I climbed up there.
Watch out, mamas. No fall down.
I bet I have a ladder to see.
That's the snacking?
Mommy, I bet I have a ladder.
Are y'all happy that Papi brought y'all out here?
Ready?
It's kind of pretty out here, huh? Well, you've been here before, right, Chicho? I've never been here. Vida, how you been? You been here, right? Be careful, Chicho.
Could I touch the water with my
Sure.
Mommy?
No. You can touch it with your hand. Yeah.
Why?
Because if you put your feet up there, then the babies are. What's that swimming over there? You see those little circles over there? That means there's something there. Eh? Okay. Do you see something? I think your puppy saw something. Where's he going? I think he has left us. You think he's left us?
No.
I think Puppy left us. You think Puppy left us? Whoa, watch out. He just said hold on tight and walked super fast that direction. Are you gonna get down, mamas? Okay, vente. Be careful. Be careful. Whoa, 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 I'm already slipping. Lollies, be careful. Be careful. Oh. Lollies, come on. Go ahead, mamas. Are y'all having fun?
Yes.
It is a tiny itty bitty bitty fish. Can we see it on film? I think not.
I see it. Let's see. Can you see it
I
moving?
don't see it on the camera, but I see it. I see it right here. It's stuck. I boy, hold on, because we're looking at the tiniest fish ever right here. There's a tiny, tiny, tiny. Watch out, watch out. Hold on, mama, scoot back. Okay, let me help Chicho. You got it, perfect. You're gonna try over here? Okay, girls, scoot back, come here. Well, come here. Oh, see what happened? You fell in the dirt. You're okay. Let's go get wipies. Come on, let's go get wipies. The little fish was, where to go, Vida?
I don't know.
I don't see it anymore. I don't see it. Do you see it?
No.
Oh, there's a tiny, tiny one right there. You see it? Right there. You see it? That tiny, tiny one?
Oh, that.
Yeah. That's the tiny baby.
What that?
You see any more, Vida?
No.
Oh, that way, Chicho. That way.
That way? Where?
Over there by this stick at the end. At the end over there.
Oh, I see it.
Oh.
Move.
Okay, let me go get a wipey. Come on, lollies. Now we have a little jam session going on here.
Yo!
Well, so far it's been a very cute little quiet spot. I wish we had a tiny little grill so that we can make a little bit of, like a carnita asada or whatever. Be careful, mamas. There's nobody here. Nobody here but the birds and us. Something floating. I'm trying to get my allergies all excited. Lollies, be careful. Be careful. Go. Good job, puppy. Anyway, so we're going to continue here with our little afternoon. I will let y'all know if we catch anything. Toño is still down there. Way down there. Let me see if I can get him real quick. I don't know today. Oh yeah, y'all can see him way down there, down this little river. Having the time of his life. It looks very pretty over there, actually. I ain't about to take the babies down there, though. They will surely roll into that river. Super cute here. Here we are under the bridge. Ignore la llanta, yeah. But other than that, it's cute. Oh, what happened? What happened? Oh, dear Jesus. What happened? You got dirty? A ver. Oh, I got it. It's just a little dingleberry. There's a lot of these little bird things out here. A ver. Yeah. Give me 5. Yeah. Okay. ¿No vas a ir allá con fishing? ¿Allá con las girls? ¿No vas a ir para allá?
Yeah.
Ok, ándale para allá.
Daddy.
Noeli, préstaselo a Lolis. Sí, préstaselo. ¡Hey! Préstaselo.
Mama.
Pinche Noeli. Let's go get it. Sí, share con tu sister.
Daddy.
Yes, sharing. Préstaselo a Lolis. Préstaselo a Lolis. Ay. It's Loli's turn. Let Lolis borrow it. Ahora resulta que necesitan su fishing para ustedes también. Vente. Vamos a agarrar una snacky. Vente. She's like snacky. Noeli, tienes que share con tu sister. Oh my gosh. Súper contenta. You got a fishy? Ay, qué mocha. Y acá está Chi. Préstaselo. You gotta let her borrow it a little tiny bit. It's okay. No. Préstaselo. Un ratito. Ay, estos ya se fueron para allá. Allá van, míralos. Clean up this baby. She's the nastiest pig of all time. You got it, mamas? Yeah. You having fun, mama?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah? We're fixing to see those birds. I think they're trying to go to sleep.
I think they're not.
Yeah, look, they're coming under. They're trying to go into their little nest.
But they can't fit.
Yeah, look at them. They're coming under. So they're trying to go to their house. They're like, hey, y'all need to leave so we can get in our house. Cochina. These birds here are like, hey, leave my territory. I want to go into my crib. ¿Ya agarraste un fishy?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Let's
Ay. Échale, más. Agarra más fish. Agarra más. Whoa. Ay, you're an expert fisher, lady. Mira, qué fish tan grandote agarraste. Yeah. Ajá. Ay, qué dirá. Deja checar a tu hermana, que está chi. Ajá, tu fish. Beaver, right there. What in the... That's beaver, guys, just swimming. Oh my gosh. Hurry up! Hurry! Y'all see it right there? Right there, look at it. Y'all see that thing in the water?
Oh, I see it.
Come here, Vida.
Me too.
Oh, you see it?
That is a beaver. Look at it swimming, guys. Y'all didn't see it over there?
No.
Maybe it was in there the whole time and it was just
Probably.
waiting for us to leave.
Where you going, Beaver? Justin.
No, that's Julie. She said the other day, she told Gali's viejo that her name was Anastasia Beaverhausen, so we just called her Beaver. Looking at it, just swimming. This is like the perfect spot for him. Such a relaxing spot. Where's it going?
Maybe it's going to our spot.
Maybe. good.
We're going to the beach. Not right now, but after 2 days.
Not 2 days, 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yeah. I trying to say 2 day. It can sound like 2 day.
Yeah, in 2 weeks. We are done fishing. We didn't catch anything, but that's fine.
Because mommy hurt the kitty.
I want to go. We saw some white cats at this abandoned house. Some white cats, super adorable. My dream. I don't even like cats, but I said if we get another cat, you know, because we have Christmas, a black cat that we found on Christmas morning. But I always said if I get another cat, I've been wanting another cat. I didn't like cats, but I like cats now. But anyways, I like cats now. They're amazing. Christmas is so sweet. But we're driving by this abandoned house there with 2 white kittens. Adorable white, fluffy white kittens. You know, like, oh. And I always said, if I get another cat, I want a fluffy white cat. Those were super adorable, right, Chicho?
I want to bring them on the beach.
Oh, they were to die for. Like, I bet you those cats, if you sell them in the street, they're like, poof, expensive. But oh my gosh, adorable Snow White kitties. That could be the name, Snow White. But anyways, we're at Tonio's friend's house because he had to drop something off for some glasses that, well, they're called glasses, but they're like these glasses that they clip onto the chicken's nose so that it won't like eat the eggs or whatever, because I don't know how they work, but they won't be pecking out their stop, but they won't be, you know, eating their, stop it, you nasty pig. Stop. So they won't be, you know, eating the eggs that they lay. So that's what we're dropping off right now. And we're trying to get the info on that abandoned house and maybe get the kittens. I mean, oh, adorable, unbelievable, right, Chicho?
Yes.
They were that cute.
Mm-hmm.
But anyways, we'll let y'all know if, stop, you nasty pig. We'll let y'all know if we are able to get into that house with the kitten.
Every time we step onto the scene, girl, it's a movie. All these cameras flashing, girl, they love us like we Lucy. Can we catch a vibe underwater like